Today, we're going to be using an old empty Jerrycan to make a scooter. First, we're going to put the whole thing together. Then we're going to cut the top off of the Jerrycan and we're going to put in all the wiring. So there you have it, your very own ride. Might not be freeway legal, but also why would you want to ride that on the freeway? It's really fun to ride someplace where you can actually ride it safely, like your backyard or around your house. And also, when your neighbor buys an electric car, you know what to do with his old Jerrycan. Tell us what you think in the comments. Like, subscribe, share, and if you want to see any other weird, interesting scooters, let us know.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to our channel for more awesome projects.